Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you want to join two Ethernet cables, you have two Ethernet cables, and you want to join to them, you want to extend the Ethernet cable. So here we will use RJ45 splitter connector adapter. With the help of this adapter, quickly you can join two Ethernet cables and you can extend your connectivity. As you can see, this is the adapter we will use here. It has one port one end, and other end it has two ports. So simply you have to connect one end one cable, other end other cable, and your connection will be extended without any issues. Now you can see I am going to connect one cable to one end and other cable to other port. In this way you can extend your LAN connection, Ethernet cable, and you can extend your cable. That's it. And if you want to purchase this adapter, you can easily get it in Amazon. Also you can purchase from Amazon. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching this video.